The Automan here, and today we're talking about fuel induction services and how important this can be to your vehicle. We're seeing a lot of vehicles these days, especially direct injected vehicles with extreme carbon buildup that can become a costly repair if not addressed regularly. We recommend to do a fuel induction service on your vehicle yearly. We use the BG service at the West Automotive Group, which is the best service you can do with the highest quality chemicals to keep the valves, the throttle body, which can often get carboned up, intake runners, air control runners, and EGR valves, along with idle air control motors that often get carboned up, and then of course injectors that need to be cleaned out regularly. We recommend this service once a year. In doing so, you can prevent from extreme carbon buildup on the valves, which robs your vehicle of fuel mileage, performance, and the vehicle will often idle rougher if this is not performed regularly. We recommend that yearly you get the vehicle in, have a professional fuel induction service done, keeping all these items clean, which will keep your vehicle on the road and running well. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For more automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, you can always listen to Auto Talk Radio every Saturday morning at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB radio.